Hello and welcome to SmartQuizBuilder. My name is Veena Prashant. In this video, I'll show you how you can install and upgrade SQB. Now, SmartQuizBuilder is a plugin for WordPress. You can install it like any other WordPress plugin. After you purchase SQB, you're going to receive an email with your download credentials. So be sure to look for that email in your inbox and then follow the steps there to log in and download SQB. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here. So this is the login form. And here you can see there is the forgot password link. So if you don't remember your login credentials, if you don't remember your password, you can click on this, enter your email, and it will send you a link to reset your password. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and log in here. After you log in, you will be sent to the downloads page. Here you will find your license key. Make a note of this because you will need this to use SQB on your site. So you can see here, this is the latest beta version of SQB, and this is the final version. And there is an old version here as well. So what we recommend is download the final version and install it on your WordPress site. You can click on this to download. All right, so the download is complete. And now you can go to your WordPress website and install this like any other WordPress plugin. So this is my WordPress dashboard, and here I'm going to install SQB now. So go to the plugins page, click on add new. You can install it like any other WordPress plugin. Here I'm going to click on upload plugin. And here you can choose the downloaded file from your desktop. Install now. Activate the plugin. All right, so the plugin is activated now. Now you can see there is SmartQuizBuilder right here. You can go to the Manage Quizzes page. Here you can see it says enter your license key. So copy the license key that you got from your members area on the Wicked Cool Plugins site. Save it. That's it. All right, so installation is complete. This plugin is active on your site. You can start creating your quizzes. So say that you are using SQB on your site and now you want to upgrade to the latest version. Go to the plugins page and here look for SQB. And whenever we release a new version, you will notice a message here that says there is a new version of SmartQuizBuilder available, and you can click on the Update Now button to upgrade to the latest version. So here I'm going to go ahead and click on Update Now. That's it, the plugin has been updated and you are now on the latest version of SQB. So say that you are using SQB on your site and you want to upgrade to the latest version, but for some reason you are not finding the update link. Then all you have to do is just deactivate it and go ahead and delete it. You will not lose any information. You will not lose any data when you delete SQB from your WordPress plugins page. And then go to the Wicked Cool Plugins site and then download the latest version to your desktop. And then go back to the plugins page, click on add new, and go ahead and install it just like you did it the first time when you installed SQB. Click on install now, activate it. That's it, you are on the latest version of SQB. So deleting the plugin from the plugins page will not cause any problems. You will not lose any data when you delete the plugin. All you have to do is download and install the latest version, and you will still have all the quizzes and everything else that you have created in SQB. That's it. This is how you can install and upgrade SQB just like any other WordPress plugin. If you are new to SQB, I would highly recommend that you watch a tour of SQB. In this video, I'll take you behind the scenes to show you how SQB works, how you can create different types of quizzes in SQB. Basically, a quick tour of SQB to help you get started.